yourself and sit down.
Oh, hi. How are you doing?
Watching these tomatoes. They won't care.
Hey, Loxton here, and just as promised, I'm a little late, but we got this Razor, this chaizor, as I'm calling it, little dirt bike. It's got this little 33cc a something or other 011 ABT, and if you actually kept up on the videos, you'll see that I had an issue here, but I was just thinking about it before I started this video, like, oh man, I don't have another sprocket because I have this. I got another sleeve, so like I was gonna weld on another sprocket. So I thought that was still connected, and it's broken. It's completely broken because we got this new bearing in, which is a good fit. I test fitted it on this already. Even got another clutch plate. Needs to be all cleaned up, but yeah, so that thing failed because the bearings are plastic, and this inner sleeve, if you watched my videos, when I first did it, I was trying to get the 6-tooth right on this instead of making a jack shaft for it, and I had it so thin that it actually broke off in here, and I had to re-weld and regrind, and hopefully it's true since I ain't got a machine. So yeah. What I gotta do now is I gotta take this motor off and see if I can't fit that sprocket onto this without too much removal of this. Put it all back together, mount the tank, and maybe adjust the throttle a little bit. She should be riding. So I noticed I need some bearings in the bottom too. So I'm gonna bring you up close and see what I was talking about here. See, that's pretty jacked, right? This is wiggle, so we gotta get that all off to fix it all. That's about right. Alright, what do we need here? Flathead. That's the loose motor mount. I'm going to need a flathead to get that off. And another flathead. And some wrench. I'll be back. I got all my tools, and it doesn't matter because I rattled it all loose. I'm definitely going to have to get some lock washers for this. I don't remember if I had to take off the tire or not. It'll probably be easier if I just go ahead and do that. Make it a lot easier to get to this motor, I think. This is the only one that's stuck on. There's the lock nut. Maybe a little longer screws. So that's gonna be the right size. So should I still run chain lube? No. Is that all of them? Oh, that's gonna be a. Oh wait, I can do this. Whew. I'll just go ahead and tilt this bad boy down. There we go. wow. So, like I said, this little bearing thing, I grinded it so small. It's when I made a handmade thing, and this is still too fast. This is gonna say 70. So I changed it up. See? No good. So now I gotta get this properly to fit on that, and that'll be good. So I take it down to my grinder wheel and cut a bunch of junk off, and then put it on and clean it all up. Clean this up, and then maybe just round this out a little bit, like I did before. But it doesn't look like this bearing actually went bad. I guess it did. I forgot about that. I made it fit last time. Let me get rid of that stuff. Right on out of there. Right on out of there. Okay, now we're going to test fit a new bearing. Alright. Oh, that's a world of difference right there. And then I noticed I got a spin in this, so I'll probably have to do something to straighten this out a little better. I'll get some more play in there. I guess that's what I'm on to now, is this all just sits around and I go work on this junk.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, Care Bear.
I have a question.
What's your question?
Can you hear us when you're on the porch?
A little bit. Why?
Just wondering.
What are you making?
A bear.
Let me see.
Head fell off, but I'm not.
Oh, that's a potato sack bear.
Yes,
I like it.
I love that.
Okay, I'm going to go grind this down. We're going to go grind metal in a wood shop. Yeah. Spiderweb. Oh, Jesus, monkeys, it's dirty down here. So I gotta bust out my welder, and I don't want to. Like, look at this, needs clean. This is gonna be a 2-part episode, obviously. It's a real bummer. Definitely gonna have to hit this with the Dremel. This ain't gonna be a very good video. Like, that'd be really good if all that stuff wasn't there. So I trimmed it down just enough. Once I clean up all this other flash weld, it should fit right on there. And be pretty, you know, true. It took forever, but I found it. I need this. I'm gonna come a little closer. Come a little closer, baby. Maybe not. This is closer. We're back over here again. Back over here again with no light. So this is what we're working on. I got 2 chucks of the wrong size. And pull this out. I really need a toolbox. If somebody wants to buy me a toolbox, it'd make everything so much easier for me because I'd have organization. The toolbox I got is like 50 years old. It's a little 3-drawer. It doesn't have ball bearings or nothing. It's not fun. And I got all these wood tools that I just don't have room for anymore because I can't store them. All right, let's get to business. I probably should use something to hold on to it, but I don't care. We'll bring this up. Oh, that's as up as she wants to go. Okay. Gonna lock me out here. Nope, I guess not. Ow, it's hot. All right, so I have a little rocking situation here. And it's again because of this beveled edge, but I'm okay with it because it's going to give me a allowance. And I left one little piece in here. Not sure why. Just kind of keep it from spinning when I'm working on it. And that's it. Okay, now I'm back in some better lighting here. I think. There we go. Now you can see that I made a lock. This will get welded all in it. Wait, what do we got there? I just saw something. All right. This will get welded all up in there, so it's gonna really adhere. At least I hope it will. But I feel like I'm gonna do this in 2 parts. But let's see if we can. I know I gotta bend that, so let's see if we can test fit this. I really feel like I need to add another link to this. This is a little tester here. I know it's not hooked up, but yeah, I don't know, we'll figure it out. But okay. I'm going to soak these parts in like brake cleaner or something because I want to make sure when I go to weld these that I have the best adhesion. So I hope you enjoy a video of just a basic tear down explanation of what actually happened. And I'll tell you what, this thing here came from Greece. So it's going to be a 2-part video. 2-part video. You're always down here. For you motorbike guys, get you one of these. It's not plastic, it's metal. It's legit. Came from Greece. 10 mil. They work good. So for now, locks it out, and catch the next video coming up in a week or so. Hopefully just a week. I'm going to be doing tomorrow, so maybe a couple days. We'll see how fast I get this one out. And then I got my parts for my motorcycle. You know, the Yamaha 550. I got new clutch, throttle, RPM cable, even though I don't use it yet because I don't have the dash. Brand new wiring harness I got put on there right now. So, well, not brand new, it's used. Anyways, I'm getting off topic. Catch this next video of this Razor build to see it back together. Lockston out.